Come up, Maya. Look what I found.
What is it, Dad?
An old treasure chest. I think you'll like what's inside.
Dad, what are you doing up here?
I'm looking for old things for my shop. Look at this, Maya.
David holds up a dusty wooden box. It has a small metal lock.
What's inside? Wow, a gold pocket watch. David, come look at this. Look, Dad, I found a watch. Wow.
That's amazing, Maya. Wow. That looks very old.
I know, isn't it amazing? Maybe it's worth a lot of money.
Maybe. But my box looks more special.
No way. My watch is gold. Gold is always valuable.
Let's find out. I have an idea.
What idea?
A friendly battle. My box against your watch. Whoever's item is worth more money.
Wins. Wins what?
Ha! The winner picks the pizza for dinner tonight.
Deal. Hij måne gå till Feitime by. Wanna checks?
Is du poken de du kiens mutan? All right, deal.
Deal.
David's antique shop is small and full of old furniture, clocks and paintings.
You found the watch.
And I found the box. We just need research to open them. First, we need information. Old things need research.
Can we call Leo? He loves numbers and prices.
Good idea. Call him.
10 minutes later, Leo arrives on his bicycle.
He looks at both items carefully. Interesting. A pocket watch and a locked box. This is exciting.
I think my watch is worth more. Let's check the watch first.
Leo turns the watch over. There are small letters on the back.
There's an engraving. It says RT, Lad, now, 1944.
1944. That's during a war.
Does that make it more valuable?
Maybe. Old watches from that time can be expensive, but it depends on the brand. Interesting.
Like this one? And my box? It has no writing at all.
A locked box is mysterious. Mysterious things can also be valuable if there's something special inside. We need to open it.
But we don't have the key. Nothing in here.
Did you two have any luck?
Not over here, either.
Nothing here. Just spoons and old batteries. Maybe your grandmother knows. This box came from the attic, right?
Good thinking, Leo. My mother, Grandma Rose, kept many old family things up there.
Let's call her.
David picks up the phone. Hi, Mom. We found an old box and a gold watch in the attic. Do you know anything about them? There is a long silence on the phone. Mom, are you there?
Yes. Yes, I'm here. I'll come over right now. Please don't open the box yet.
Okay, Mom. See you soon.
Dad, her voice sounded strange.
Yes, a little sad, maybe.
Or excited. Old family secrets are always exciting.
Grandma Rose walks in slowly. Oh, it's been so long. I didn't think I'd ever see this again. Oh my. I haven't seen this watch in 40 years.
Grandma, do you know whose watch this is?
Yes, my dear, I believe it belonged to your grandfather. It was my father's watch. Your great-grandfather.
Great-grandfather? I never knew him.
He passed away before you were born, David.
And the box? Is it his too?
Yes, but I'm not ready to open it yet. Not today.
Why not, Grandma?
Some memories need time, Maya. Let's have dinner first, and I'll tell you about your great-grandfather.
I should probably go home for dinner. Oh, stay a while longer, Leo.
Everyone sits around the table. Grandma Rose holds the watch gently in her hands.
A soldier. Was he brave?
Very brave. But he was also gentle and kind. Before he left for the war, he gave this watch to my mother.
That's beautiful, Mom.